Hello everyone, I am Jenna May Cambronero and we are the Team Power Pals. Our group consists of Barry Barrion, Richmond Fernandez, and Iris Vera Garcia. For the development of our website, we use a combination of K-Web technologies. The core structure of the website was built using HTML, which us to define the content and layout. We use CSS to style and enhance the visual appearance, making the site not only functional but also appealing to users. Finally, JavaScript was employed to add interactivity and dynamic features, ensuring a seamless experience for visitors.
Good day everyone. The purpose of our website is to provide an engaging infographics about Sierra Madre Mountains in the Philippines. It is designed for students, nature enthusiasts, and anyone interested in learning about these important nature landmarks. And it's also show appreciation for Sierra Madre as it protects us from typhoons, and at the same time it also has a lot of beautiful places that showcase in the beautiful nature. Our website is a single HTML file with a smooth scroll feature. When you click on the navigation links, the page scrolls the specific section. It includes image and videos to give you more detailed information about Sierra Madre. It also has text for the users to read and educate themselves about Sierra Madre.
So, I'm Barry B. Barion from 2IT11. So, starting with the homepage, you will see a picture of Sierra Madre with the text, one of the Philippines' last great forests. Once you click the homepage from navigation bar, it will scroll to the home section where it contains videos and images along with the text providing background information of Sierra Madre. So, clicking the About, it will also scroll to the About section, which contains text and images. User can also click link. You can also click in the link provided. You can also click in the link provided. If you want to learn more about what you have read, here, here. So, in the history section, it has a text, videos, and images that is connected to the history of Sierra Madre here. So, in our attraction, here. In our attraction, it contains top attractions around Sierra Madre. Each attraction has videos provided descriptions, illustration on how to read that spot, and user can also the user can also click the next and previous button if they want to see all of the attraction of Sierra Madre here. From one to attraction to from one dito Maboto Falls to Angat Watershed, Dinangat Bay, Mount Daraitan, Ilangunaw National Park, Dara Falls, Masungi Rizal, Kasagpangan Falls. So, in a contact, here, in a contact contains address, email, here, it has contained emails, address, numbers of guardians of the organizations that fight for protection of Sierra Madre.
The website has key sections such as homepage and introduction to the Sierra Madre, the About section which gives details about the mountain such as its geography and biodiversity, economic importance, and environmental challenges. History, which gives facts about its past and significance. It also contains information about its geological formation, cultural and historical importance, and recognition and advocacy. We also have the attraction section, which has the places to visit in the Sierra Madre with information on how to go to the tourist spot and videos that shows their scenic views. Lastly, we have the contact info section that gives information on the users on how to reach out for more information about the Sierra Madre. We focus on creating concise and visually appealing content. The use of pictures and videos helps make the information clear and engaging for our audience. The website design uses mostly green, symbolizing nature with a background that reflects the beauty of the Sierra Madre. This theme creates a calming and natural feel for users.
Once again, we are Team Powerpops, and our website is engaging infographic about the Sierra Madre mountain range in the Philippines, built using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It features smooth scrolling navigation, vivid images, videos, and concise text to educate and inspire. Key sections include the homepage, about, history, attractions, and contact info, highlighting the mountain's ecological, cultural, and historical significance while showcasing its natural beauty. Explore our website to learn more about the Sierra Madre, its rich history, stunning attractions, and how we can help protect this vital natural treasure.